Welcome back to the Love Shack, and
today we're going to be making recycled cardboard sculptures.
So the materials that you need for this project, you do not need glue. All you need to do is go to the recycling bin and find some cardboard or empty boxes. And as you can see, we drink a lot of seltzer water here at the house, and so we're going to be using some bubbly containers and some Cheez-It. We love Cheez-Its too, so we're going to be using a Cheez-It container. So scissors and cardboard are all you need. So step one, you're going to pick the colors of cardboard that you like, and we're just going to cut out some small basic shapes. All right, so when you're cutting out your shapes, you can cut out the designs you see on the piece of cardboard, but you want to have your shape about as big as the palm of your hand. So if we take this piece, it's about as big as the palm of Carly's hand, and so keep them large. And after you cut your shape, do you want to show people how to put them together, Carly?
Yes, so you cut little slits out of your pieces of cardboard, and then you slide your cardboard together, and you can do more to make it stand up.
So how far in did you cut your slit?
I did
about a half an inch.
Half an inch. Yeah.
So you can cut your slits about a half an inch to an inch long, and then you slide your pieces together where the slits are. You push them together tight, and it should hold pretty tight. So we're gonna keep cutting shapes, and we're gonna try to put some things together and see what we can come up with. So you can cut freeform shapes, geometric shapes. You can cut out shapes that you see on your cardboard, but have fun with it, and we'll see what we come up with. All right, we're gonna go around and show the progress of our sculptures, and so far, watch out, E.
What's his name?
Here's what I have.
Gerald.
Here's what I have so far for mine, and I used a lot of freeform shapes, and I used a toilet paper or a paper towel roll for the base, and Carly's also using a paper towel roll for her base, and I'll go around to hers in just a second. And so, yeah. So as you can see, I have a few geometric shapes too. And Carly had this great idea to make a strip go from one spot all the way over to like an arch to another spot, so I copied her idea. And all the colors of the recycled boxes look pretty cool in our sculptures. So Vance made a, is it a robot?
Yeah, his name's Gerald.
His name's Gerald, all right.
He has an on and off switch. I finally got him to stand with these big shoes.
So Vance was having a hard time with his balancing, and so to solve the problem, he made big shoes that actually give it some weight to hold it down. So he was a good problem solver there. And then Ella she's working on her second sculpture. The first one looks kind of like a peach creature. She decided to use the peaches from her box, and it looks like a peach animal. And then the second sculpture, you want to talk about it?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, I don't know about it.
So I see it's taken, like your second sculpture and your first sculpture looks like they could be related. Like this looks like the baby and this looks like the parent.
The dog and the owner.
Yeah.
I guess.
And then Carly's working with some freeform shapes.
Yes, and they're supposed to stand up, and they aren't really staying right now.
She likes the smiles. I think this smile is pushing it back that way. The orange
I don't know
smile.
what's happening. It just...
And this is her second sculpture too. And so the first one she made, it looks like a robot, and we had a hard time making it stand up.
This one.
So, do what, Ella?
It's gonna fall backwards. It's
Well-
skating.
Well, another thing you can do while you're working on it is you can move it around in different, like, you can actually lay it down and see what it looks like on the side, or turn it upside down. And so look at it from different angles and try it different ways and see
Take it apart.
which direction it goes in. So, all right, so we have all finished our recycled sculpture, and we hope you enjoyed making the creation with us today. And these are our examples. So we have robots, we have a freeform sculpture, another robot type sculpture, a peachy animal, a smile sculpture, another smile sculpture, and another freeform sculpture.
That's a wrap from the Love Shack.